everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find someone on Viber. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Tap open your Viber application and sign into your account if necessary. The easiest way to find a new person on Viber is by entering their phone number. Simply tap on the search button at the upper right corner and type in the phone number of the contact. After that, you'll be able to find the person. Simply tap on the contact and there you go. That is how you can find a person by phone number. Now, tap on the calls button at the bottom of the screen and from your call tab, tap on the plus icon with the human figure at the upper right corner and enter a phone number you want to search for. After you type in the phone number, tap on continue. Now the following info and the entered number is displayed on the screen and the contact is added. Tap on save at the bottom right in order to save the contact on Viber. From the calls tab, the contact which are already saved on your mobile device will be displayed automatically on Viber after you open the app. If you want to invite someone who are not active on Viber yet, you can tap on the invite button at the right corner beside the contact's name. And then you'll be able to send an invitation from where the person can click on the invitation and register for Viber. Those were some of the ways how you can find someone on Viber. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.